I am so excited. I've been sitting here at my desk all day planning my photo shoot for my brand and I'm so excited. I'm getting ready to go meet up with a friend and I'm gonna tell her what my plan is for the shooting and she's gonna tell me if that's like a good idea or not because I have no experience planning stuff. So far I've created a little mood board and I've looked for inspiration, like what poses can you do, and my friend is a little fashion queen so I need her opinion on outfits. I am so excited. This is such a big step for me. If you're confused what's happening, I have a clothing brand. It's called Soul Vision Design. I'm learning as I go. So everything I do is like a first time for me. Like I've never planned a photo shoot for it. It feels like such a big girl thing to do. I'm a bit nervous, but mostly I'm so excited because the people that are gonna be modeling for me are so nice. Or I think they're so nice because I've just like texted with them a little bit and they seem so cool and vibey and I love them. So I'm just so excited to take the next big step for the brand. You would think a photo shoot is like something you do in the beginning, but not for me. I always did like photo shoots with my mom or like with a very close friend of mine because I've been scared of telling people and I've been scared of like asking people for help that are not my closest people. So this is a very big step for me and I know I've been talking about this quite a lot on my account. And I have an appointment tomorrow. I'm gonna go to the hairdresser. I'm gonna get a haircut because what is this? This photo shooting is also so long overdue because every time I poke my eye with this thing. Okay, it is so long overdue because I don't even have anything to post anymore for the brand account. I don't. I'm running out of things. And I can't really do marketing and like market my brand if I don't have content to post. Also, I don't know if I've talked about this yet, but I'm gonna be starting to study business administration and marketing in fall. I'm so excited because I never really knew what I wanted to study and I wanted to wait till I really know what I want to do and then I want to study. I don't want to just study because I need to study, not study, go to university, you know what I mean. Now that I have my own brand and I've been running and doing it for 2 years, I've noticed that I have so much fun learning all of these things and I have so much fun doing all the business things and like I love the business side of it. And I've been reading a lot of books on it, like marketing and I don't know, website branding, all this stuff. And it got so overwhelming. Like I had so many moments where I was talking to my mom. I always talk to my mom about stuff like this. And I went to her and I said like, Mom, I'm so overwhelmed. I have so many ideas and I feel like I don't have enough time. And I feel like I don't have enough skills. She was like, girl, why don't you just go study business administration? You don't have to learn everything by yourself from books. And I was like, wow, that's so smart. Okay, I'm aware that this sounds very obvious and very, very stupid, but to me, I always thought like, oh, I don't want to study business. Like business is for people that don't know what they want to do. So I always thought, no, I'm gonna do something creative and cool. I wanted to do interior design and not saying I don't want to do this, but I don't know, if you have something you already like, you can go study it. Like I had this image of myself that I need to study something cool and like creative and I'm not one of the business students, you know, like that's not for me. You can go study whatever the fuck you want. Like what you study should not be for your image. I feel like what I'm saying does not make sense, and it sounds so obvious and stupid, but to me it has been like a learning thing, so I don't know. Okay, whole nother topic. Your comments are so cute. Like I like read the comments, I'm like, like I want to cry. I really want to cry. Yesterday I read a comment, someone commented on my TikTok that I'm gonna be a great mother because my presence is so calming. What? Like, I love you, what? So just know, if you've ever commented something sweet and positive under one of my posts, I read it and I felt like crying, like I wanted to cry. And I love you and I appreciate you. And actually, I collect all the sweet comments and like encouraging comments and supportive comments. I take screenshots of all of them and I put them in like a note in my notes app so I can reread them when I feel demotivated about something. So it means a lot to me. Also, I've been loving doing these get ready with me talking videos because they don't get a lot of views, but they're so personal and I just love doing them. And I know a few people like watch all of them and I just love the connection. It just feels much more personal. So I've been loving that. thanks again for listening to me talk for so long. I love you so much, and I hope you have the most amazing day ever. And I hope I also have the most amazing day ever. I love you.